Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. I am your teacher of English class 2. Yesterday, I have given you the homework of exercise A activities of unit 2 on book page number 9. Today, your parents will take your test number 7 in the test portion of your rough copies. Okay, dear? Now, note down your today's homework. Today, the date is 21st April 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Note down the homework. It's English written plus oral. Learn exercise B plus draw exercise C of activities of unit 2 in rough copy from book page number 9, play lecture number 5. You have to learn exercise B from here. Unscramble what am I? Unscramble what am I? You have to make these words in correct order. Okay, dear? And exercise C, imagine, follow the steps and draw a lion cub. Drawing of lion cub, शेर का बच्चा बनाना है in rough copies. Okay, dear? It's your today's homework. Prepare it perfectly, properly from lecture number 5. Now, we are starting our today's lecture, but before our today's topic, let me make a correction in the previous lecture in which we have read unit 5 Megal helps out. Megal madad karta hai. Dear students, it's very important to know that the singular of sheep is sheep, but the plural of sheep is also sheep. Singular is sheep and the plural is also sheep. sheep word जो है, sheep जो noun है, भेड़ sheep, ये एक sheep हो तब भी sheep है, और अगर दो हो या दो से ज़्यादा हो, more than one, तो तब भी ये sheep है. Singular and plural both are sheep. Okay, dear? And the next, put, रखा. किसान ने भेड़ों को सहन में रखा हुआ था. Put, रखना. The first form of put is put, the second is also put, and the third is also put. First, second and third form of put is put. Put. Okay, dear? And the next sentence, the farmer cut the wool. किसान ने ऊन काट दिए. सारी भेड़ों का जो ऊन था वो किसान ने काट दिया. Cut. First, second, third form of the cut is cut. Cut. Okay, dear? It's very important to know. Note it down. Okay, dear? Now we are moving towards our today's topic, which is related to the book exercise of Unit 5, Megal Helps Out. Open page number 22. Our today's topic is Exercise A of Activities, Unit 5, Megal Helps Out. Exercise A is answer the questions by filling in the missing words. जवाब दें किस तरह के खाली जगहों को भरें. जो लफ्ज़ यहाँ पर नहीं दिया गया उसको इस बॉक्स में से चुनकर इन खाली जगहों में, इन ब्लैंक्स में लिखें। For completing the answers, you have to write the given words in these blanks. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, इन जवाबात को मुकम्मल करने के लिए आप लोग इन दिए गए अल्फाज में से एक लफ्ज़ चुनकर इन खाली जगहों में लिखेंगे और जवाब को मुकम्मल करेंगे। The first question is, name the 3 sheep. 3 भेड़ों के नाम बताएं। As we have read in the text, the 3 sheep were Yuna, Olan and Curly. Yuna, Olan and Curly. So, write in the first blank Yuna, in the second blank Olan, and the third blank Curly. The names of the 3 sheep were Yuna, Olan and Curly. Okay dear? Now the second question is, what was Megal? Megal क्या था? So in the text, the first sentence is Megal was a goat. Megal एक बकरा था। So write goat from the box. Megal was a goat. Megal एक बकरा था। Question 3 is, what was on Yuna's back? यूना की कमर पर क्या था? What was on Yuna's back? यूना की कमर पर क्या था? So let's see in the text. Yuna had a green mark on her back. यूना की कमर पर सब्ज रंग का निशान था। So write green mark in the blank. A green mark. What was on Yuna's back? A green mark. यूना की कमर पर सब्ज रंग का निशान था। मेगल ने अपने हूफ को ग्रीन पेंट में डिप करके आखिर में फिर उसकी कमर पर दोबारा से निशान लगा दिया था। ग्रीन मार्क पहले से उसकी वूल पर था और फिर उसकी स्किन पर मेगल ने लगाया था। These are the paints. One is green paint and the second is red paint. Yuna's back. What was on Yuna's back? A green mark. एक सब्ज निशान। The fourth one is, what did the farmer do? किसान ने क्या किया? किसान ने क्या किया? So again, in the text, the farmer cut the wool. Okay, the farmer cut the wool. किसान ने क्या किया? He cut the wool of the dash. किसका wool काट दिया? भेड़ों का। So write wool in the first blank and sheep in the second blank. Wool and sheep. He cut the wool. उसने ऊन काट दिया। He cut the wool of the sheep. किसका? भेड़ों का। The fifth one is, who was cold? कौन सर्द था या किसको सर्दी लग रही थी? And sad, और उदास था। कौन? खफा था और सर्दी लग रही थी उसको। किसको सर्दी लग रही थी और उदास भी था। ठीक है। सो अगेन moving towards the text, in the second paragraph, the last word of the first sentence, the sheep were sad and cold. भेड़ खफा थे एंड कोल्ड्स और सर्द थे या उनको सर्दी लग रही थी. सो again right from the box, the sheep were cold and sad. The sheep were cold and sad. sheep जो भेड़ें थीं वो उदास थीं और उनको सर्दी लग रही थी. Now look at the word sheep. We have only one sheep over here, but we have to write sheep in two blanks, sheep and sheep. Okay. The sixth one is, what did Megal put on? Megal ने उन भेड़ों की कमर पर क्या लगाया? क्या लगाया? यूना की कमर पर क्या लगाया और ओलन की कमर पर क्या लगाया? Now again moving towards the text, he put a green mark on Yuna's back, and the last sentence of the second paragraph, he put a red mark on Olan's back. यूना की कमर पर सब्ज रंग का निशान लगाया और ओलन की कमर पर लाल रंग का, सुर्ख रंग का निशान लगाया. So write green paint in the first blank and red paint in the second blank. Okay dear, we will continue the book exercises of unit 5. Megal helps out in the next videos. Inshallah. Thank you.